This is Second Avenue.
Hello guys,
Transfer
Arthur's
is
here.
available to the 2
Today
and
we're
3
going to call
trains.
Roblox and I'm on this R142. So that's...
This is 207th Street. Transfer is available to the 2 and 3 train.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform.
I'm this R142 and it's actually the weirdest train ever. Okay, it's on my another platform controller.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train.
Oh, there's another
The
express
next
train.
stop is
Oh, there's an
216th
express
Street.
train. So I might... Boom, bam. Yeah, I'm playing this. Goodbye, man.
Downtown, local 1 train. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue.
It's fast. Okay, I'm trying to spend it at 27th Street. And my goal is fast. So train for the July. Oh my god, they're express trains. There's many of them.
Downtown, huge train. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
Uptown, local 1. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue.
Oh, mate. You can slow that sound.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is 216th Street.
I'm saying down the other two hours. Good night tomorrow. One station and boom. I heard a freaking sound of police cars.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
This is weird. What can we go on this
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 2nd. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 200.
That's weird. Okay, isn't rush hour so old? Okay, so they only switch jobs from winter to Express. So we are going here.
is 215th Street.
Transfer is available to the 1 and 3 trains.
No, I missed it. Is that a train? Let's get to like 27th Street. So we are going to Rose Street.
Downtown, local 1 train. Uptown.
Nope.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 215th Street.
Downtown. 1. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
What the heck? Where the hell is it? What is that? That's weird.
Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform.
Yo.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The
Bro,
next
you see
stop
that
is
freaking
2nd
train is wandering there?
Downtown.
Dude, it just came from there. It just came down like from the Train departing. I'm train departing.
Downtown, local 1 train. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
Yeah, we're pretty days ride. Stop.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is 2nd Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop
Get out
is
there.
215th.
You're departing dispatcher when the R1 today. I'm just getting like a freaking dispatcher doesn't go on like you're departing. Crossing the road. Crossing the road. Let's go anywhere.
This
I'm gonna
is 207th Street. Transfer is available to the 2 and
have to wake up at 5 in the morning, so
This is 2nd Avenue. Transfer is available to the 2 and 3 train.
Oh my gosh, 2 and 9 trains? Yeah, but one train's go one during lunch time. There's 2 trains going on local.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Beverly Road.
Nope, I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Get into the ride.
This is Beverly Road. Transfer is available to the 2 train.
Ride at Berry Road.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is
Financial District.
Closing.
Is up. Uptown
Beverly.
Express 2.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform. Please step aside.
Following Rose Places is the 1 train to Rose Street, stopping at Financial District, Lincoln Center, Chambers Street, Fulton Street, and Rose Street. This is train. The next stop is Financial District. This is your driver's seat. The next station. Driver speaking. Next stop is Financial District. The next station, the platform is wide.
This is
Financial District.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Watch out the gap.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Lincoln Center.
Is up. Downtown. Local 1. Train 2 minutes away.
This station's gap is platform gaps are big. Next stop, Lincoln Center.
This is Lincoln Center. Transfer is available to the 2 train.
Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central.
Arrive at Lincoln Center.
Uptown. Local 1. Train 2.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Chambers Street.
Open the door.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I'm actually Sunday, but we're going to we're going back to
This is Chambers
Oh
Street.
right, so that's fast. That's a good thing.
This is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next stop is Fulton Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
I'm gonna have to move to the front of this train because I'm going to arrive at the terminal. Last stop.
This is Street.
Fulton Street.
There's a Manhattan-bound 1 train stop.
Sound is really look like a freaking rat squeak.
Is Uptown, Local 1, Train to Rector Street. Approaching the station, please stand away from the...
Stop Easton Avenue.
This is the Manhattan-bound 1 train.
This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
To exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Is a Manhattan-bound 1 train. The next and last stop is
Rose Street.
The Rose Street bound 1 local train. Next to the last stop is Rose Street. If you have this mountain, please watch your step between the gap and the train. This one the mountain. Especially on one train, it's like on like Chambers Street. No, I meant financial district. Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Did you just fucking see that? Look at that abandoned station. Oh my god, you see that freaking abandoned station from here? I saw that. I swear I saw that. I swear that I saw that. Holy freak guacamole, Jesus Christ. Just saw an abandoned station. Okay, exactly this station was on the 1 train.
Street.
are available to the 2 and 3
We're
trains.
at Rose Street.
Is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform.
Are you serious? Is this real or fake? I don't know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. We apologize for any inconvenience.
Rose Street.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
Okay, we're going to go back to the 270th Street.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2
I'm going
train.
to the street.
The next stop is Lincoln Center.
I'm not going to.
There's a Manhattan-bound 1 train. Stop is
Avenue.
We are going back. Midnight station. One line. I saw some on the train. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic.
the other star right here is to find this thing. We can. Oh, I just fell off at the abandoned station. Oh my god, look at this. 50th Street Alcan Parkway. So this station was originally used in the old versions. Oh, you can see the old tram cars too, though. Dude, look at the old tram cars, like the RV2 tram car. Like this Buckham station is totally an abandoned station, bro. I just saw it for no reason. Okay, 50th Street Oak Park. Okay. Is it a freaking abandoned station that was a long way to transmission stop here? We're really past it. Rather like an old RV2 car here, so we're in the video right here at the abandoned station. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye. Subscribe to Azoo.